Have you ever worked hard on a design in Canva and wanted an exact copy without starting from scratch? Today, I'm going to show you the simplest ways to duplicate any project in Canva so you can save time and keep your creativity flowing. First, head over to the Projects tab on your Canva homepage. Here, you'll see all the designs you've created. Simply hover over the project you want to duplicate and you'll notice a three-dot icon appear. Click it, and from the drop-down menu, select Make Copy. Just like that, Canva creates an identical copy of your design, ready for you to edit independently without affecting the original. But that's not the only way. If you already have a design open, you can also duplicate it directly from the editor. Look to the top left corner and click File, then choose Make a Copy. Canva will instantly open a new tab with the exact same design, giving you the freedom to tweak it or experiment with new ideas while keeping your original intact. Duplicating projects is a game changer, especially if you need multiple versions of a design for social media, presentations, or marketing materials. It keeps your workflow smooth and ensures your original work stays safe. Now you'll never have to recreate a design from scratch again. Just duplicate and go.